Bullish engulfing pattern. Let's try to understand what is a bullish engulfing pattern. Bullish engulfing pattern signifies the control of the buyers. It's a bullish reversal pattern and buyers are momentarily in control. Keep in mind that buyers are not permanently in control. Buyers are momentarily in control. The larger it is, the more significant. So this is how a bullish engulfing pattern looks like. At first you'll see a small red candle which signifies the dominance of the sellers, and after that you will see a big red candle in comparison to the red candle. So as you can see on the screen, the size of this green candle is much bigger than the size of this red candle, or in simple words, this green candle or this candle, bullish candle or the candle dominated by the buyers engulfs the candle dominated by the sellers, or this green candle engulfs the red candle, so it's called a bullish engulfing candle. So what are the conditions? The conditions are bullish candle closes above previous candles open. So this is the opening price of the red candle, and bullish candle should close above the opening price of the red candle. The length of the bullish candle engulfs the previous red candle. This body has engulfed the candle of the red candle, and bullish candle opens at or lower than the previous candle's close. So it must open below the closing price of the previous candle, or in simple terms, this candle should be bigger or should engulf the red candle, then only we will get a bullish engulfing pattern. Hopefully you all have understood. Let me show you how does it look like on chart. Market was going down. There is a clear downtrend we can see on the screen. Market going down, 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 and after that you see this red candle has been engulfed by the body, this green big body or big green candle, and after that there is a trend reversal, and after that market started going up. As mentioned earlier, bullish engulfing pattern is a bullish reversal pattern, and this is what has happened. There is a bullish reversal after the bullish engulfing pattern. Market was going down, and this big green candle engulfed the red candle, and we saw a good trend reversal, and market started going up. Again, you can see market was going down. Market was going down, 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 and this is a red candle, and this red candle has been engulfed by this green candle. The size of the green candle is bigger than the size of the previous red candle, or the green candle has engulfed the red candle. So we got a bullish engulfing pattern here also. And after that we get to see a trend reversal. Market started going up from here. So this is how a bullish engulfing pattern looks like. So hopefully you all have understood. Thank you so much.